Morning garden show out here in the yard. Apple scab. Apple scab. Locust was all in these trees. These are apple trees, if you didn't know. Apple scab on some of the. And look at this right here. I got some work to do, folks. Everything is overgrown because the soil is great, and everything is overgrown. There's my. This here is a. What do they call this thing? Grape. Help me out, folks. It's a grapevine, and it's growing crazy. That there is a hardy kiwi. It don't need but one plant to produce fruit. And the corn is not doing too well. This corn is not doing well at all. Not up to my standards. Now, I gotta tell you something, folks. See these cucumber plants? That came from, this comes from pure compost that I made, and that's all I grew it in. Pure compost. See it vining. See it, yep, there's a blossom on it right there. Two of them in each pot, maybe three in one of them, or three and two of them. A bunch of weeds here. They overgrown. See this tree here? Look at all the look at the grapevine inside the tree. Got that from Food Flowers Permaculture. I put it in there and it growing up there. The tree is actually a scaffold for the plant, and it's a black or red grape, seedless. Can't think of the name of it right at this moment. It's not important. Um, Tomatoes are doing good. Grown in the midst of these weeds. Yep, that protects it. Because look at my grapevines. I mean my tomato plants. You don't see no bites in them nowhere. And the reasoning for that? Let me tell you the reason for that, folks. No bites because simple fact. They're eating the weeds. They don't want the tomatoes. The tomatoes are doing good because I feed them well every day. Kale still trying to grow after I mowed it down. This is some of my compost. A whole bunch of it over there. I mean, it's been sitting there for about two and a half years. And I don't throw it away because it's black gold. Look at these peppers here. Wait a minute. I pinched these tops off yesterday. Wait a minute. Why is this? Hold up. Let me see something. I pinched these off. I'm supposed to pinch the tops off. Okay, there we go. Alright. Pinch those off. Okay. I wanted to double and make me a bush as opposed to one single plant. Alright. I'll pinch them again. Okay, let's see if all of them are pinched off. Yep, they're all pinched off. And then we got over here, we got one there. Got an eggplant here. Eggplant right there at that stake. Doing good, growing. Got some grapes over there. I could eat with dinner tonight. But look at all these trees here. Some of them are 25 feet tall. They got to come down. Got one behind there. Is that my tree or the next door? No, that's my tree. Well, it can't be my tree. Not that tall. Let me look over here, see what we got. If that's my tree, wait a minute. No, it's not my tree. Wait a minute. I think it is. Oh, let me go up in here and see what I got. Up here. No, that's not my tree. Nope, not my tree. He got a tree growing in the midst of one of those trees, and he got, oh hell, he gonna let it get tall. That's gonna block off some sun in my yard. This is my pear tree. Let's see if I got any pears in it. Alright, well, let's close this out because it's 5 minutes. I don't see any pears. I had some up here. Oh, there they go. That's one pear. One pear right there. There's probably others. I just can't find them. They're all green, the same color as the leaves.